Hi guys! You know what? It's a happy day today because it's cooling down. It was so hot here in the Netherlands the last weeks and it's raining finally. So we can paint again because last week it was not possible to do that in this old studio. So I was thinking I just wanna make a beautiful painting today and not overthink it. I also want to say to you that I did a video with the Acrylic resin and coating my painting, but the website wasn't working because they were switching servers at that moment. So if you had interest in buying these resins, then you can head over now and the website will be working just fine. Okay, so I just want to make a beautiful painting on a 60 by 60 canvas, so that's 24 by 24 inches. And I got my paints gray again, and colors I use for my triptych because I love them together. Yeah. Okay, we start making this baby white. And Alex is always scared when I do this because all his trousers and t-shirts are covered in paint. Let's see if this is enough. Alex, back away, huh? Normally I make a composition like this, but this time I'm gonna do it more like that, I think. Okay. It's already sinking, the copper. Let's pour white against it. I'm gonna start blowing the white over. Check that then. It's crazy. Also here. What a lot of cells. This is crazy. There are so many cells. There are some beautiful parts in this one. I don't know, I don't really feel the composition at this moment, but I want to break up the parts a bit, so it's not so staged like this. Okay, I feel like this part here is too much, this part. Okay, this part is stunning. Then we have this is beautiful too, but here I don't like, and this here, this whole part is beautiful. And then this is too much. So you know what? I'm just gonna take it off and see if we can fix that. That's gonna be difficult because I think I will want to keep this, but from this part, take that off. Very large part that I'm scraping here. So if it flows a bit from here, composition might be perfect. First this part. Let's blow that out. Yeah, I still don't like this part that much. So if I place it this way, I think this must be the composition. So I think that must be the composition, how you're looking at it now. I'm not fully happy, but it has so many beautiful details and parts. Oh, that worked very well. I still don't like this part, guys. This painting needs a lot of work, and it's because I try to make a new composition. I will leave this. It's okay. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Okay guys, this is way different than my others. A very different composition and color combination. Yeah, I like it. I must say I like it. Let me see how it dries and try to see it in different angles. But this is nice. Yeah, yeah, I like it. Let me know what you think, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And till the next video.